According to a survey, men spend nearly a year of their life simply staring at women. In 2019, after years of unsuccessful dates, a 50 years old British woman decided to give up on men and married her dog. Jellyfish have existed for over 500 million years. They have no brain, no heart, and no blood. Dragon Hole is the deepest known blue hole in the world at 300.89 meters and located at the South China Sea. T. Taste and energy admitted. Eat, energy and taste. Life is the most difficult exam many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. If you are shot by a sniper, you will be dead before you hear the sound of the gun because sniper bullets travel faster than speed of sound. During night, we go through 4 phases of sleep and we enter in the last phase after 3 am. All the dreams occur before this, and after 3 am, our eyes starts moving very fast in sleep. Man awakens after 12 years in coma, says he heard everything, included his mother saying, "I hope you die." There is a resort in Japan located on mountain peak from where you can see the sea of clouds floating below you. Black roses really exist in nature. However, they only grow in one place, a small village in Turkey called Halfeti, and they are black only during summer months. There is a road in France that can only be used twice a day for few hours, then it disappears under 13 feet water. When you die, there are companies that will turn your ashes into fireworks so you can literally go out with a bang. The color which we see when we close our eyes is called Igengra, which is different from black. Swans have only one partner for their whole life. If their partner dies, they could pass away from broken heart. This is where Earth ends. Sussex, England. Pronghorn antelopes have 10x visions, which means that on a clear night they can see the rings of Saturn. The sun is actually white, it just appears yellow to us through the Earth's atmosphere. This is Thailand. This is how we are developing infrastructures without damaging nature. Japanese passport is the world's most powerful passport. It grants free visa-free access to 190 countries out of 195 countries. There is no red light 30 feet underwater, so blood appears green. The blood doesn't change at all. What changes is the light in the water. Life asks Death, why do people love me and hate you? Death replied, because you are a beautiful lie and I am a painful truth. People who get goosebumps while listening to music have a special mental condition that makes them extremely emotional to a certain kind of stimuli. This condition is known as prison. Shakespeare once said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Life is full of blessings, but sometimes we don't value it. Botox is the world's deadliest poison. Just 4 grams of it can kill the entire population of the earth. Butterfly drink turtle's tears because drinking turtle tears provides them so much needed sodium. This statue depicts Saint Bartholomew, an early Christian martyr who was skinned alive. The robe he's crying isn't robe, it's his skin. The statue was crafted by Macro. In 1972, James Thorpe, an American Indian, had his running shoes stolen in the morning of his Olympic track and field events. The Devil's Kettle waterfalls in Minnesota that pours over a ledge and continues on another side with a deep hole that vanishes into nowhere. Researchers. A train in Japan was 35 seconds late. The driver apologized for being late, and the Central Japan Railway refunded the ticket fare of all passengers. At the age 14, she built and flew her own single-engine airplane. Stephen Hawking had followed her a tutor at MIT. She got highest grade possible and Harvard. All birds find shelter during the rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but the attitude makes the difference.